Hello, in this video, we'll be covering the configurator for EHI. The configurator will generate a model code based off of selections made. This can be used to request a part number, drawing, or 3D model. As selections are made through the configurator, some options may disappear based on previous selections because some options are not compatible together. In the EHI configurator, the first option is the electrohydraulic flow, nominal. This choice will determine the max flow of the EH spool. The max flow curves are shown in this chart, which can be found in the EHI technical information in the Documents section of the EHI page on the Danfoss website. The next option is circuit type. If we choose steer-by-wire as our circuit type, meaning the EHI is working independently of a steering unit or OSPE, then a lot of the options below are already filled in. To change our selection, we can either click on the black arrow to the right of the circuit type box to clear our selection, or select another option from the drop-down to change our selection. Examples of different circuit types can be found on the EHI technical information. The next option is pilot unit type. This determines if the unit is reaction or non-reaction. For more information on reaction and non-reaction systems, please refer to the Steering Concepts and Parts video. The disengage option allows us to choose if we want hydraulic or electronic disengage. For more information on disengage, please refer to the RSV and disengage video. The LS1 signal, external, describes the LS signal which will connect to the EHI from a pump or priority valve. The integrated priority valve is determined by the nominal pump flow of the unit, or if using an external priority valve, then the integrated priority valve can also be present, but take caution that only one generates dynamic flow if applicable. Excess flow determines where the extra flow from the priority valve goes. EF means the flow is available for another function, often to the steering unit for open center configurations. ET means the flow is internally connected to the tank. The integrated priority valve type is static or dynamic, and the integrated priority valve spring is either 7 or 10 bar. Usually, 10 bar is used with a static priority valve, and 7 bar is used with a dynamic priority valve. The PVFC valve can be selected with or without check valves. For more information about priority valves, LS flow, and the PVFC valve, please refer to the PVFC and dynamic LS flow video. The relief valve connection determines if the relief valve will limit just steering pressure from the EH valve, E, or limit both the EH and steering orbital pressure, S. In the case that the relief valve just limits EH steering pressure, it is expected that the steering orbital will have its own relief valve. The relief valve setting determines the pressure that must be overcome to open the relief valve. For more information on the relief valve, please reference the Advanced Hydraulic Schematic and Cutoff Valve video. Shock and suction valves are usually necessary if they are not present anywhere else in the system. If they are present in the steering system and are always connected to the cylinder ports, then additional shock valves in EHI are not necessary. If shock valves are needed in the EHI, the setting must be at least 50 bar higher than the max steering or relief pressure. The dynamic and PP orifice will be determined by the priority valve and circuit type. The LS orifice for EHI will always be 1.2 millimeters. For more information on orifices and springs, please refer to the PVFC and dynamic LS flow video. Once the configurator is filled out, a model code will be generated of the EHI based on your selections. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.